Okay. Hi, I'm Yuan Tao. I am 10 years old. I study at SKC Kwame. I learn robot at Robot Creative Center Muar. This is my robot. My robot is security robot. It can punch people, and the people go to hospital because of injury. And then I use this remote control to control my robot. Thank you. Please watch my precious video. Thank you.